Hi everyone, my name is Maruf Anwar. I am from Kishanganj, Bihar. I have completed my bachelor degree in BCA from Maulana Majlul University, Patna in 2023. After that, I was searching for the job. Then I got to know about eVision. One of my friend told me about eVision. Then I joined eVision, which is a 45 days intensive program. Then we learned during this program we learned lot of things like basic networking, CCNA, cyber security, window administrator, and with our trainer was good. We learn very easily and we can understand very easily. Then we got placement in Progressive Infosys Limited with a good package, and it's happened due to eVision. Without eVision, we can't do anything. So I would like to thanks eVisions, all members of eVisions, and a special thanks to our recruiter like Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, and Sania ma'am. Thank you, all eVisions. Thank you so much.